In the last episode of Highlife, we learned the basic vamping of Highlife. And in this episode, we will be mixing both the vamping and the soloing. We'll be teaching our brain to be flexible, to transition between vamping and soloing. So that in the next lesson, we can increase the level of difficulty of the vamping and the soloing as well in subsequent lessons. Alright, so what we had was so basically, what did I just do? I mixed everything up, right? The first one I played the solo, which was take note, initially when I taught you to do these two going together, but I have changed it. It's now this comes before this in quick succession. So the next one I moved to was the vamping. And after that, the next one I moved to was so I soloed the saw chord, but when I got to the do chord, I played the vamping, the block. Then I switched it. I played the block chord or the vamping for the saw chord. Then I played the solo for the do chord. So, how did I do that? When I came to the saw chord, I did so that's it. I think you should practice this and mix it up. Play block on G, or play the vamping on the G chord or the saw chord, and play the solo on the do chord. Then swap it. Vamping on the do chord and solo on the saw chord. Then play solo for both chords. Then play vamping. Keep swapping. Teach your brain to swap those two things, because in the future you'll be swapping them. All right.